What's going on, you guys? Project MHK coming back at you for another video. As you can see, my bike is no longer together. Show the desk owner. Yeah, all my parts are now off my bike, but we got something special to come.
Fiending.
Right, so yeah, I got the Fiend Varanyak frame, 21 inch in flat black. So yeah, let's unbox it.
Let's get a bit of a close up there. On a scale of 1 to 10, how hyped are you on this new frame?
Oh my god. From going from a crappy We the People, whatever it was, to this.
I've got to say, they boxed it up pretty well. They fucking got some metal shit in there.
Oh yeah,
now.
I also bought Odyssey Pyrons.
Oh, you actually, wait, what? They actually do sell Barons by themselves?
Yeah. What? There's the brake kit, which I'm never going to bloody use.
His frame comes with brake thing.
My Odyssey Pyrons.
Oh yeah, he needed new Barons. Because he's on nowadays.
Right, piece de resistance.
Alright. They wrapped it alright. Woo!
Check that beast out, fam.
Oh my god.
So yeah, new frame.
In case you can't tell, it's just pure matte black. And it's like
sexy.
smooth as well, yeah.
Look at that.
That's just fresh right there.
My first
Alright.
fresh
Let
frame.
me feel that, Then again, it is supposed to be a bit heavy because it's street frame.
Fam, my sticker pack blew up.
We have to complain about that.
No worries. I'm going to be using the
All
yellow
in order. Wait, they've got something. Oh, okay.
I'm going to be using the yellow stickers out of this end now.
Alright.
In case you can't tell.
Fiend.
So yeah.
Varanyak, right?
We'll come back. Yeah, Varanyak. So yeah, it's a little bit later in the day to when we filmed the last clip. The bike is now fully built. I went riding almost instantly after building the bike, and it just feels perfect. Like, words cannot explain how beautiful this frame feels. It feels so nice to go from a 20.5 inch frame to a 21 inch with a short back end, and this bike's going full straight. A few things that I am going to eventually change. I'm going to get a new seat. I'm going to end up getting the Federal Royale or the Fit Solo seat, tripod seat, to get rid of this, because eventually I want the whole bike to be matte black or just blacked out, and those two seats are black, and obviously this seat is black. Also, I'm looking at getting some new cranks. I'm going to be getting either the Eclat Mavericks or the Federal Vice cranks, and also I'm going to be looking at getting some new forks, because I'm still running these stock We the People salt forks from my old frame. So yeah, I'm going to be looking at either the Odyssey Odyssey R25s or the Federal Liquid V2s, which will look pretty sick. And also eventually I'm going to be getting a guard sprocket like the Eclat AK. And then a long way down the line I'm going to be getting a new wheel set of G-Sport ribcage rims and Primo Free Mix rear hub, and I don't know, probably the Fiend cab front hub, just to make this bike look nice and to get it to how exactly I want it down to the T. So yeah, peace.